deep under the ocean. Like, really deep. No sunlight, no sound, just darkness everywhere. Then your lights hit something. Tall shapes, straight lines, towers rising from the seafloor. It looks like a city, but no one built it, and scientists weren't even looking for it. There's a real place in the Atlantic Ocean called the Lost City. It looks like ruins from an ancient civilization, but it's not Atlantis. It's not man-made, and honestly, it might be even more interesting than that. Because this place could explain how life on Earth started. Back in the year 2000, a group of scientists went exploring. They were studying the ocean floor along the Mid-Atlantic Ridge. Basically, it's a huge underwater mountain range where the Earth slowly pulls apart. They were looking for hydrothermal vents. That's pretty normal for ocean research. Nothing unusual. At least, that's what they thought. As they went down about 700 meters, something strange showed up. Not the usual vents. Instead, they saw tall, white structures. They looked almost built. Some of them were over 60 meters tall. That's like a 15-story building. From a distance, it really did look like a city underwater. Imagine this: white towers, sharp spires, shapes twisting upward like frozen waterfalls. It's quiet, still, almost eerie, like something from another world. But when they got closer, it got even stranger. This city wasn't built by people. It formed naturally, through chemistry. Seawater seeps into cracks in the earth. It reacts with hot rock deep below. That reaction creates heat, hydrogen, and methane. And over time, minerals build up into these tall structures. Slowly, like nature building its own version of skyscrapers. Most deep-sea vents are extreme, super hot, violent, almost like underwater volcanoes. But the Lost City is different. It's calmer. The water isn't as hot, and instead of dark smoke, it releases clear fluids. It doesn't look dangerous, but it's still full of life. And this is the crazy part. There's no sunlight down there, so no plants, no photosynthesis, but life still exists. Tiny organisms live inside those towers. They survive using chemicals like hydrogen and methane. It's called chemosynthesis. Basically, they don't need the sun at all. And that changes everything. Because some scientists think life on Earth may have started like this. Not in sunlight, not on land, but deep in the ocean, in places just like this. Now, take that idea and go bigger. There are moons in our solar system with oceans under ice, like Europa and Enceladus. They have water. They have heat. They might have similar chemical reactions happening, which means they could have life, too. Imagine an alien ocean, dark, silent, endless, and deep inside, structures like the Lost City, slowly forming, with life growing around them. It sounds like science fiction, but it might be real. Here's something else. The Lost City is old, really old. Scientists think it's been active for over 120,000 years. That's way longer than most hydrothermal systems. Most only last decades, maybe a few hundred years. This one just keeps going, slowly growing over time, and we've barely explored it. The deep ocean is still mostly unknown. We actually know more about Mars than our own ocean floor. So there could be more places like this. Way more. We just haven't found them yet. Getting there isn't easy. The pressure is intense. It takes special submersibles to even reach it. And every trip is risky. So we've only seen a small part of it. There's still a lot we don't know. Think about the first people who saw it. Sitting in a small sub, surrounded by darkness. Then suddenly, a city appears. Silent, white, completely unknown. That must have felt unreal. It also makes you wonder something. Why does it look like a city? Why towers? Why shapes that feel familiar? Our brains look for patterns. We try to make sense of what we see. But sometimes, nature creates things that just look designed, even when they're not. The lost city isn't just a cool discovery. It's a clue about how life works, where it can exist, and how much we still don't understand. Right now, deep under the ocean, those towers are still there, still growing, still supporting life. In total darkness, a hidden world, quiet, strange, and still active. And maybe one day, when we explore oceans on other planets, we'll find something similar. Not ruins built by people, but something built by nature. If you like this, subscribe. There are a lot more mysteries out there, and we're only just starting to find them.